Here we have a 1940 Packard Club Sedan, 160 Club Sedan. And the 160, they made less 160s than 180 Club Sedans. I think they made 376 160 Club Sedans. And this car, a friend of mine bought it in the late 60s, and he restored it, frame off restoration, everything was done, and it drives and runs beautiful. It's very correct. It was done right. You notice it doesn't have the inner hubcaps. It's got the striped wheels, and we have a accessory locking gas cap. These are very rare, very hard to find. It has the trunk rack, and that is correct. And when you got the trunk rack, you did not have the Packard script in the rear bumper. You see a lot of cars that have the wrong bumper. They have the Packard script, but they didn't use the script because you have the Packard emblem up here. It has the backup light. The bumper guards are really nice. So, guessing this car came with a trunk rack from the factory. It's got side mounts. This car is so quiet. It's actually quieter than a new Mercedes. And it's airtight. It's just so quiet when you're driving. It's smooth. This is what Packard was all about. As you can see, it won first place at the Packard Nationals. That's this badge here. It has the correct road and fog lights, accessory lights, and they have the glass lenses in them. They're very nice condition. We've serviced the car, and we had it out today. It just runs beautiful. The color is Laguna Maroon, which is a pretty nice color. The dash plastic is excellent. That's all replaced. You got a cover over the seat, but it's really nice. That plastic is called fudge brown. This is all metal, wood grain metal. The dash is wood grain metal. The clock works, the radio works, everything works. It's got the other thing, it's got overdrive. Now this car has an under-seat heater, which has been restored. And then under theirs, they called it a foot warmer. And that's for your feet and your defroster. And once you get, I had this out on a real cold day, once you get that under-seat heater heated up, it's almost like you got a heated seat. This has the special carpet in the rear. And it's got vanities in the corners. Just a nice, comfortable car. Really drives good, runs good, it's tight. Has the cormorant hood ornament, which looks good on this car, in my opinion. There's really nothing to do to this car except drive it.